Do you still remember how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula? I'm going to remind you of that today. If you remember, quadratic formula is given as what? X is equals to minus b plus or negative the square root of b squared minus 4ac. All of these are underscore, all divided by 2a. This is the formula. And then if you can remember, you will know that there is what we call the general quadratic formula, or the general form of a quadratic equation. That is the word normally. The general form of a quadratic equation is given as a x squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So if we check this equation that we have here given from the equation, we have x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So if we are comparing these two equations now, you discover that the coefficient of x squared here is 1. So this a is equal to this 1 that you see here. That means our a is equal to 1. Because we have x squared, we have x squared, so a will be equal to 1. Is that okay? Good. And then we have plus. Then we have s, we have s, we have b, we have 5. That means our b is equal to what? B is equal to 5 here. And then we have plus, then we have c, we have 6. That means our c is equal to 6. Is that okay? So from here, we can, anywhere we see a in this place, we're going to replace it with 1. B, we are replacing it with 5. And then c will be replaced with 6. That means this, our formula, will now become x to be equals to minus, instead of b here, will now become 5. Then plus or negative the square root of, instead of b squared, will now be 5 squared minus 4. Instead of a will be 1, and then c will be 6. All divided by 2 times a. Instead of a there, we'll still put it as 1. So from here, that means we'll be having minus 5 plus or negative the square root of 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 6. That will give us 32. We're going to have 32 here, right? Is it 32? No, that will give us 24. It's not 32. That will give us 24. It's not 32. Sorry about that. So all divided by 2 times 1, that will be 2. So from here, we have minus 5 plus or negative the square root